The controversy over the origin of COVID-19 virus continues in spite of the World Health Organization previous investigation of this issue. Recently, in June 4, 2021 issue of the Science Journal published by the American Association for the Advancement of Sciences in the In Brief News section related to policy matter, a small article titled "Biden Requests Probe of COVID-19 Origin." According to this article, the president has supported the call for transparent investigation on the issue, whether the virus behind the COVID-19 pandemic escaped from a laboratory in Wuhan, China. In the same article, representative of China reply in the World Health Organization Annual Health Assembly meeting is quoted as China part of the origins investigation has been completed, suggesting no further studies there would be considered. President Biden has issued order to the intelligence community for redoubling their efforts in collecting and analyzing information about the COVID-19 causing virus origin. Important to mention here is that several other countries, including United Kingdom and several scientists across the world, are asking China to allow a more thorough investigation of the lab leak scenario. Let's see what happens in the coming days. According to a news published in The Insider on May 26, 2021, Chinese media has fiercely attacked Dr. Fauci after he said Wuhan lab theory on COVID-19 origin could be likely. Another news published on June 4, 2021 ascribed to Dr. Fauci says US must keep on investigating COVID-19 lab leak. The outcome of this controversy is yet to be seen. Irrespective of controversies on scientific issues, the Biomed Global strongly believes in empirical and ethical science and scientific inquiries.